Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be shooting my first cash stuffing for the month of June. I'm using my neutral planner. It's over here in the corner. I should have already uploaded the budget with me for this cash stuffing, but if not, it'll be coming soon and you can see me use that planner. We're gonna go through. Let's go ahead and unstuff my cash envelopes first. So for this week, I put $30 in for gas, and I actually did not have time to buy any gas. I don't really need it, so there's that. For grocery, I have this whole $125 left. But I did order some groceries from Instacart. Spending had nothing. Dining out, I'm taking that $20. We spent that. Beauty still has 10 bucks. I'm actually going to trade those 2 5s for a 10. And again, you know, we roll this money over. And my miscellaneous fund wasn't spent this week either. I have $5 and I'm going to roll that over to hair. Y'all, let me tell you about the hair, okay? I scheduled the appointment with this lady from another city, from Lubbock. And I was so amped because she does great braids. And where I'm from, the people that do good hair be acting shady. Don't want to give you an appointment. It depends who you like. If you're black, you know how that goes, right? So I made the appointment and I asked about the braids. I wanted knotless braids, and she said it would be $385 for small ones, $285 for big ones. And I was already like, oh God, right? But then the fee on top of having to have her travel here, it was just too much. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about hair, but for now, I'm going to leave this in here. So 100, 200, 220, 230, 240, 250. So I have 250 in here now. And I'm not quite sure if braids are in my purview. I be telling myself like, oh, I can spend $300 or $400 on braids. And then it comes time for me to give up that money and I'm like, I'm trying to pay off my student loan debt. I'm trying to move. Is it really worth it? So we'll see. Anyway, here is this rollover money from my cash envelopes, and it is going to go 2 places. The first place it is going to go, the 5s will be rolling over to my $5 savings challenge here. And this is one anybody can participate in. You literally just save your extra $5 bills and set them aside until the end of the year or whenever, and then you deposit it. So I'm probably going to count mine around Christmas time, but that's what I've got so far. It's a slow challenge, but hey, money is money. And then this rollover money, you'll see what I do with it later on. So now let's go ahead and restuff our cash envelopes for the week. Gas isn't getting anything. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon, so I'm good there. Groceries will be receiving $125 once again. So I'm going to go ahead and put those inside of here. Our spending envelope will be, will be receiving $25 this week. We are planning to have an off week coming up here soon, so this is just like for me to get me some comfy pajamas or something. We're probably just going to go on a staycation or to a quick out-of-state trip. Dining out will be receiving $20. And let's see, beauty, I think it's going to get 10, yes. Beauty will be receiving $10. So we're good there. Miscellaneous isn't getting anything this week because, like I said, I'm not sure about the hair. And that's usually where that money just rolls over to, is my hair envelope. All right, next up, we are going to tackle our bills. So we started off for a new month. Remember, I am currently 1 month ahead in bills, which is why I'm able to pay bills this way, okay? It isn't for everybody, but it works for me. So first up, we have rent, and we are putting $375 in there. Next up, we have utilities, and utilities will be receiving $50. Our storage unit will be receiving 30 bucks. Phone bill will be receiving $30 as well. And if you've noticed, there is some rollover money here. Whatever I didn't have to apply to our bill, I'm rolling over so that I can be 1 month ahead. My bill used to be a certain amount, and instead of decreasing what I add to this envelope, I'm keeping it the same so that I can have a few months ahead in phone bill by the time I move. I ended up paying off a phone, so our bill went down. And so, if you're wondering about that. Next up is our internet. This one gets 25. This will be my last month having to pay this bill as well, but I'm going to keep stuffing it again to move it forward to my apartment binder. Streaming services will be getting $15. I did just cancel Netflix this morning, so I'm over them. They don't ever want to renew the good shows. They keep raising the price. It's just not worth it. Self-lender will be receiving $10. I am excited about P-Valley coming out soon, and The Boys is coming out on Netflix. All the good shows are coming out this month, so I'm stoked about that. State Farm's getting $50. So we have 100, 200, 300, 4, 455, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 620, 640, 650. So real quick from this rollover money, I'm going to do a few exchanges. So I'm going to take 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 of this, and I'm going to put it in my rollover envelope, and I'm going to take the 100 for this car insurance. Ooh. All right. So in here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 56, 620, 640, 650. So 600 of that will go towards our next car insurance payment, which is May, June, July, August, September, September, October-ish. And so now we're currently working on the next 6 months, which is really dope. Yearly subscriptions is going to get its typical $5. 100, 2, 3, 4, 450, 460, 470, 480. We have 480 in there. And that is all for our bill binder. And if your question is, what do you do with those bills? Like I said, I'm currently 1 month ahead in bills. So this is July's bills that I'm stuffing right now. June's bills were paid from my month ahead fund and some of last month's. I pretty much move it, right? So this goes to month ahead. Month ahead pays the bills on the 1st. Hope that makes sense. It works for me. Okay. Up next, we're going to go into our sinking funds, and I'm not stuffing many this go round. The money is going other places. So for credit repair, we are going to be adding $50. I've been doing so good on my credit repair, y'all. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 570. Self-lender, along with me sending in dispute letters, I've got so many things removed, like inaccurate stuff on my credit report. One of my medical debts from my surgery was reporting twice, so I was able to get that removed. It's just been really good. So 700 club, here I come. Manifestations will be receiving $100. I'm going to do it in 50s. So we have 50, 100, 150, 170, 175 in there. Remember, this is for whatever I'm manifesting in my life, and currently that is a new living situation in the form of a new not a new apartment, but my first apartment. So emergency fund will be receiving 25. So we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 20, 9, 40, 9, 60, 9, 65. Getting so close to that $1,000 mark in here. Healthcare isn't getting anything, neither will any of this other stuff, but this rollover fund will be receiving this money from our cash envelopes to pay back the Instacart charge, the eat out charge, all that fun stuff. So next up is our savings challenges. And the first one we're going to work on is this 52-week challenge, to which we will be adding $100 this week. This is a year-long challenge, and it is coming along really well. So I'm going to grab two 50s for this one as well. So I'm just going to slap those 50s here at the back, and we'll keep it pushing. That's it for this binder. Up next, we're going to move over to our peekaboo envelopes. See if we have anything in here we need to stuff. Yes, we do. Oh, let me stick that back. I was shooting a TikTok with that one. We're going to do holidays. Holidays is going to get its typical $30. And that's actually going to go towards 4th of July today. So we're going to do 20 and 30. So in here now it has 100, 150, 170, 180. Okay, and the other one we're going to fund is 401k. So 401k will be getting $146 from the 10% of our check. And it also will be receiving its typical $100 for just a monthly contribution. So let's see what we've got here. In our 401k fund, we have 100, 200, 300, 340, 345, 346. And we need 1660 in here by the end of the month. Our month ahead fund isn't getting anything. I believe that's it for sinking funds. Yep, that's it. I am hoping to change these out soon. I have changed up the categories based on my life's needs. There's some of these funds I just don't touch enough, so I'll be getting rid of them. So look forward to that video coming as soon as I get some free time. All right, so we're going to do our challenges before we jump into our student loans. The month of May, I didn't close out yet, so I'm going to leave that there for now. I need to go in and close out that one. But for the month of June here, we are just coloring in hats. So since I cash stuff once a week, I'm going to be coloring in 7 hats. And then I will be adding in that total amount to my envelope. So give me just a minute to color these in. Share it with y'all yet. So in our student loan this week, we will be contributing $250. So there's 250. So let's see what our total is in here. My goal is to get this student loan completely paid off this month. Ooh, child, we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 4,000, 4,100, 42, 4,300, 4,320, 4,340, 4,360, 4,380, 4,400, 4,420, 4,440, 4,450. So we have $4,450. So that leaves us owing $5,018.26. Well, 21 cents. Okay, and so I didn't cash stuff my side hustle income for last month. I actually bought me a new MacBook Pro. I know. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Okay, so we're almost to needing another one. So up next, we have our Save with Baddie challenge. The kids were playing with the dang dice this weekend, and I don't... Oh, shit. And I don't know what they did with what they did with it. I cannot find it. So for today, we are going to do this roll dice thing on Google to see what we have to stuff in our fund. So hopefully it's 1 through 6. Okay, spot number 1. I know that you guys may be on week 10. Somehow I'm a week behind, so I don't know. But if you're on week 10, do week 10. So I'm going to color in spot 1 here. And looks like I'm adding $20. So I'm going to grab these 2 10s here. And then just in case, I have pulled another 30 bucks because I do feel like I'm behind. So I'm going to put that over there. And I'm just going to pick week 1 again, just to be sure if you guys are on week 10, we're together in this thing. So we're going to add $25 more. Like, get it together, Baddie. It's your challenge. You act like you can't keep up with nothing. Jesus. All right, so total in our Save with Baddie challenge, I have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, $345. Not mad at it at all. All right, so that will go back. That will go away. As always, thank you, beautiful people, so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a part of this community. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Have a really good week. Until next time, bye.
Something to buy, da ba da ba, yeah. Da ba da ba ba ba, da ba ba ba, yeah. Set the potato, da ba da da.